Welcome to this video on how to register for a personal income tax reference number via SARS USSD service channel. What is the SARS USSD service channel? The SARS USSD channel is a freely available channel that enables you to use SARS services by entering a USSD code that is *134*7277#. Benefits of using the SARS USSD service channel include that it is a free mobile service that is available even without internet connectivity or airtime. All standard mobile devices can dial SARS USSD code for personal income tax services from anywhere. It is available 24/7, and it will resolve selected tax-related queries. To register via USSD channel, dial *134*7277#. Once dialed, a menu option will be presented on your mobile device. To continue with your registration, enter the number 4 and send. Enter your valid South African ID number and send. Text your first name and send. Text your surname. Select 1 to complete your email address, or select 2 if you don't have an email address. Text your street number. Text your suburb. Enter your postal code. Finally, text your city and send to continue. You will receive an SMS and email notification with your income tax registration results if you have provided your email address. Thank you for watching this video. SARS, at your service.